In the vast tapestry of life on Earth, countless creatures have evolved remarkable traits to survive, thrive, and sometimes astonish us with their ingenuity. While many animals possess abilities that are impressive, there are those whose powers seem to defy logic and venture into the realm of the truly bizarre. Today, we'll journey through the wild and fascinating world of 10 strange animal superpowers that exist in real life. Prepare to be amazed by the unexpected champions of adaptation, evolution, and natural wonder. First on our list is the pistol shrimp, a creature whose size belies its extraordinary power. This small marine crustacean, measuring only about 2 inches long, possesses one of the fastest and most forceful weapons in the animal kingdom, a specialized claw that can snap shut with such speed that it creates a cavitation bubble. When the bubble collapses, it generates a shock wave that stuns prey and produces temperatures briefly hotter than the surface of the sun. This snap is so loud that it can disrupt sonar equipment, and the shrimp uses it to hunt small fish and defend against predators. The pistol shrimp's sonic weapon is a testament to how nature can engineer incredible abilities in the most unlikely of packages. Next, we meet the immortal jellyfish, scientifically named Turritopsis dohrnii. Found in oceans around the world, this tiny jellyfish, scarcely larger than a human fingernail, possesses the astonishing ability to reverse its own aging process. When faced with injury, disease, or simply old age, it can revert its cells to an earlier developmental stage, essentially starting life over again as a polyp. This biological time travel allows the immortal jellyfish to theoretically live forever, barring disease or predation. Scientists study this unique creature in hopes of unlocking secrets about aging and cellular regeneration. But for now, the jellyfish remains a living paradox, an animal that seems to have conquered mortality itself. Let's venture to the rainforests of Central and South America, where the glass frog resides. These small amphibians are famous for their translucent underbellies, through which you can see their internal organs, including the heart, liver, and digestive tract. The glass frog's see-through superpower serves as a form of camouflage, blending it seamlessly into the leaves and branches it inhabits. This transparency disrupts the outline of the frog's body, making it much harder for predators to spot. The glass frog's adaptation is a dazzling example of how evolution can sculpt creatures to vanish almost before our very eyes. Our journey brings us to Africa, where the electric eel makes its home in slow-moving waters. Despite its name, the electric eel is actually a type of knife fish, and it possesses the unique ability to generate powerful bursts of electricity. Specialized cells known as electrocytes are stacked within its body, and by rapidly activating these cells, the eel can produce shocks up to 600 volts, enough to stun prey, deter predators, and even communicate with other electric eels. This biological battery is so effective that scientists have studied electric eels to inspire new designs for batteries and energy storage. The electric eel's superpower is a vivid reminder that sometimes nature's technology puts our own to shame. From the depths of the ocean, we encounter the mimic octopus, a master of disguise and deception. Unlike other octopuses that rely on simple camouflage, the mimic octopus takes imitation to the next level. It can contort its body and change its color and texture to impersonate more than 15 different marine animals, including lionfish, sea snakes, and flatfish. By mimicking dangerous or unpalatable creatures, the octopus avoids predators and navigates the perilous waters of its home in Southeast Asia with uncanny skill. Its ability to become something else entirely is a superpower rooted in both intelligence and evolution. A stunning display of nature's creativity. Let's turn our attention to the lyrebird of Australia, celebrated for its unrivaled vocal mimicry. Male lyrebirds use their extraordinary ability to imitate almost any sound they hear, from chainsaws and camera shutters to the calls of other birds. Their sophisticated vocal cords and acute hearing allow them to reproduce sounds with astonishing accuracy, transforming their forest homes into symphonies of natural and artificial noises. This superpower serves a vital role in attracting mates, as lyrebirds compete to showcase the most impressive and diverse repertoire. The lyrebird's mimicry is more than a party trick. It's a vital tool for survival and reproduction, and a dazzling example of animal intelligence. In the cold waters of the Antarctic, The icefish reigns supreme with a superpower that seems straight out of a science fiction novel. Unlike most vertebrates, the icefish's blood is entirely transparent and lacks hemoglobin, which is normally essential for transporting oxygen. Instead, icefish rely on the high oxygen content of cold water and a unique antifreeze protein that prevents their blood from freezing. This adaptation allows them to survive and thrive in temperatures that would be lethal to other species. The icefish's transparent blood and antifreeze proteins exemplify how life can adapt to even the most extreme environments on Earth. High above the trees, the Draco lizard, also known as the flying dragon, glides through the forests of Southeast Asia. This small reptile possesses elongated ribs and specialized flaps of skin that function as wings, allowing it to soar from tree to tree in search of food or to escape predators. The Draco lizard's flight isn't powered like a bird's, but its ability to glide for distances up to 30 feet is a remarkable feat of engineering. This superpower lets the lizard access new territories, avoid danger, and hunt insects with ease. Evolution has provided the Draco lizard with a way to conquer the skies without ever having to leave the trees. We journeyed to the deserts of North America to meet the horned lizard, sometimes called the horned toad. This creature possesses a bizarre and effective defense mechanism. When threatened by predators, it can shoot streams of blood from its eyes. The blood contains chemicals that are distasteful to would-be attackers like coyotes, and the sudden, shocking spray startles and deters them. While it may sound like something from a horror film, this superpower is a real and vital strategy for survival in the harsh desert landscape. The horned lizard's blood-squirting ability is a vivid reminder that nature's solutions can be as creative as they are surprising. Finally, we find ourselves in the forests of Madagascar, where the leaf-tailed gecko practices a masterclass in camouflage. This reptile's body is shaped and colored to resemble dead leaves, complete with notches, veins, and a tail that mimics the shape of a leaf. When threatened, the gecko presses itself against a branch or leaf, disappearing almost entirely from view. Some species even sway gently to mimic the movement of leaves in the wind. The leaf-tailed gecko's camouflage is so effective that predators overlook it, and it can ambush unsuspecting insects that wander too close. This superpower is a beautiful example of how evolution can blend form, function, and survival into a single astonishing package. From the sonic blasts of the pistol shrimp to the ageless existence of the immortal jellyfish, the animal kingdom is filled with wonders that challenge our understanding of what's possible. Each of these 10 creatures has evolved its own unique solution to the challenges of life. Whether it's escaping predators, attracting mates, or surviving in extreme environments, their superpowers are not the stuff of legend or fantasy. They are real, tangible, and a testament to the inventiveness of life on Earth. What can we learn from these extraordinary animals? Perhaps the greatest lesson is that nature is endlessly creative, and the boundaries of possibility are far wider than we can imagine. The creatures we've explored today remind us that survival often demands innovation, and that evolution can produce abilities that rival even our wildest dreams. As scientists study these superpowers, they uncover new insights into biology, physics, and the very nature of adaptation. So next time you look at the world around you, remember that hidden within the forests, oceans, and deserts are animals whose abilities would be the envy of any superhero. Their powers are not only strange, they are sublime, poetic, and deeply inspiring. In their stories, we find a celebration of life's resilience, diversity, and unending capacity for wonder. Thank you for watching Nature Secrets. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share to spread the wonders of nature, and subscribe so you won't miss our next secrets.